Hi, in front of me I have XIAOMI Mi Band 5 and I'm gonna show you how to edit the display settings on this device. By display settings I mean we have this menu right here when we swipe up or down on the screen, like this little menu, and we can basically edit it. We can add some more options, we can hide some options and I'm gonna show you how to do it. Let's open the Mi Fit app on our phone. In the app, let's tap on Profile, and here let's select our band from the list. Now let's scroll down and find Display Settings and tap on it. And here we have list of our apps, and as you can see it is the same as on our band, and we can basically edit it. For example, we could move more to the top of the list, and to do it, press and hold on this icon next to more, like this, and then drag it to the top of the list. You can't change the band display. Basically this page you can't edit, but rest of them you can. Once you move more, tap save to save it, and now the first option after watch face should be more, and it is. Okay, we can also hide some of them, so let's go back to display settings, and for example let's hide every one of them besides more. So let's move them all to the hidden items. Tap save, and now if you go through the menu we have only more option. You can also unhide them, basically just move them to the list above, like this. Here we have our options. And that's how you edit the display settings on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.